Hi, my name's Tim, and this is Kevin. We're from Tactik Lighting. Let us explain how to do a flicker test with your phone. Come on over here, Ellen.
Thanks, Tony.
So pull up your phone, put it on camera, put it on SLO-MO. You can see that right there. And just videotape this. And let it run for a good 8, 9, 10 seconds. And then stop it. When that video comes up, replay it. And you'll notice there's no flicker. It would be pulsing like crazy. So next we'll go into this office right here for an example. We got the exact same SLO-MO setting. I'm just going to press play here, or press record. It's going to record for a good 10 seconds. These are just some panel lights. I'm going to replay it now and see how it's pulsing. So you get this from a megahertz cycle that's too low. And this is what causes employees headaches. This is also very hard on the driver. It is each of those pulses, and it's been representative of failing fixtures that fail early. It's just not a high quality driver. You will see that with other high bays. We will, since this is an office setting, our next video will be of a high bay fixture. So we just took this high bay and just put it on the workbench here. And it's just a regular high bay light, UL certified, just a cheapy one. And here we go. See, it's got flicker. Might be UL certified and everything else. That's great, but it's not good on the eyes. It's not good on your brain, and it's not good on the driver. This is not a high quality driver. So here's another one. This ends up being a Citadel fixture, and the other ones you saw were a turret. So this is a high quality driver, and I can zoom out if you want, and let's watch it. See, no flicker. High quality Tactik product.